In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Brevo account. Creating an account is the first step to start using Brevo's email and marketing tools, so we will move through it slowly and clearly. If you follow along on your screen, you will have access in just a minute or two. First, go to the Brevo sign-up page. On your computer or phone, open your web browser and navigate to the Brevo sign-up area. You can use the official Brevo website or search for Brevo sign-up and select the correct result. When the sign-up page loads, you should see a form where you can enter your details. Take a moment to confirm you are on the sign-up screen before you type anything in. Next, enter your email address and create a password. Look for the email field on the page. Then type in the email address you want to use for your Brevo account. After that, find the password field and create a password that is secure and easy for you to remember. If you see any hints about password strength, follow those guidelines so your password meets the requirements. This matters because your password is what you will use each time you log in, so it should be something you can reliably enter. Once you have entered your email address and password, you will be ready to submit the form. Now click the Create an Account button. Before you click, quickly scan the page to make sure the email address and password look correct. It is easy to make a small typo, and correcting it now is much simpler than restarting. After you click Create an Account, the site should process your information and move you to the next part of the sign-up flow. At this point, depending on the page, you might see a confirmation message or a welcome screen, and you may be asked to verify your email address. If there is a verification step, follow what the site requests. This helps protect your account and ensures you can receive important messages from Brevo. Even if the process takes a moment, just keep your place on screen and follow the instructions exactly as shown. If you prefer a faster option, you can use Quick Sign Up. Look for an alternative button that says Sign Up with Google. This option is designed to let you create an account more quickly by signing in through your Google account. Choose this when you want a streamlined setup and you are already comfortable using your Google sign-in. When you click Sign Up with Google, the page will likely open a Google sign-in window or switch to a Google confirmation prompt. From there, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your identity. You may need to select the correct Google account if you have multiple accounts signed in on your device. Pay attention to what you are granting permission for and make sure it matches what you expect for account creation. After the Google sign-in is complete, the Brevo sign-up flow should continue. The site may automatically link your account and take you to the next screen. If there are any remaining prompts, such as confirming details or completing a final step, handle those exactly as they appear. Once your account is created, you will typically be taken into your Brevo dashboard or an onboarding screen. From there, you can set up your workspace and begin using Brevo's features. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the main area of the platform so you know where to go next. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.